Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying what you're repairing and why, check the part for recycling code, or test a small spot with solvent to estimate weldability. Once done, clean both faces with 70% isopropyl and scrape away paint and debris. Make sure to dry thoroughly. You'll then sand mating surfaces with 120-320 grit to increase mechanical grip and cut a backing patch sized 20-30% larger than the break. Prepare clamps, adhesive, or welding tool so you can move to the join immediately. You now join the pieces using the correct method. For thermoplastics, use a plastic welding iron or soldering tip. For mixed or brittle plastics, choose a 2-part structural adhesive. Heat weld by feeding filler rod into the softened joint while moving along. Make sure to maintain even motion and temperature to avoid burns or pits. If using adhesive, spread thin, mate parts, insert the backing patch, then clamp. Once done, let the specified cure or cool time complete before handling to reach full strength. You finish by trimming excess filler and sanding to the original contour. Start with 180 grit and work progressively to 600 grit for a smooth result. Once done, apply primer and paint if appearance matters, and then test the part under its expected load or motion to verify strength. If it fails, make sure to inspect for contamination, improper material choice, or inadequate surface prep. You may need to redo with a different adhesive or a more aggressive weld technique to achieve a reliable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.